Hi everyone, Agampla here. Thank you for joining me today, and today we're gonna do another unboxing. We're going to unbox one of the newest SD kit out there, which is coming from the SDW Heroes series. And it's the SDW Heroes Wukong Impulse Gundam. So this is the first of its series, which is the Gundam Heroes SD line. And looking at the cover art, you can see this is something similar to the Wukong um, design out there. So this is a derivative of the Impulse Gundam. And looking, this is the cover art. So as you can see, this has the logo for the Gundam World Heroes. Then you have the name here in Japanese and in translated English. And as you can see, this is something different. So this one is made in China and it was released in 2021. So I believe the Sangoku line is also made in China because most of the market is in China. So looking at the shorter side, you can see it's similar to the cover art. You can see the number 1 here with the Gundam World Heroes logo here. And then on this side, you can see the information regarding the anime series. And then you have the traditional warnings here, the Gunpla logo there, the type of plastic, the barcode. And on this side, you can see a short description regarding the Wukong Impulse Gundam. And then you can see the weapon, which is the Nyoibo. And then you have another action pose here. This one is the Wukong silhouette. And this one is the Goen form. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. So as you can see, we have the first bag here. And then the second bag, which is in the transparent red color. Then we have the third bag. So we have 3 bags inside the box. Then we have the manual here. For the manual, you can see the Wukong Impulse Gundam here, as well as a short description regarding it. And then when you open it, something similar to the Sengoku line, you have a probably comic type page here. Then you have the runner list there. Then you have the traditional building instruction for SD. So it's a pretty straightforward SD kit. Then at the back, you can see something similar to the one at the back. So you can see a front and rear view of the model kit here, and then you can see a short description regarding the Liu Bei Unicorn Gundam. And then similar to the box, you can see the Wukong silhouette here and the Goen form for the Wukong Impulse Gundam. So let's see the individual runners. So looking at the first runner, we have the runner A, which is in the gray color, and runner A are the inner frames. You can see this is the torso. So that's your runner A. Next, we're gonna check the B runner. So B runner is in white color. So as you can see, this is part of the head, and these are some skirt armor as well as the belt. So that's your B runner. Next, we have the C runner. So the C runner is in golden yellow color. So all the gold trims are in this runner. As you can see, that's the skirt armor as well as the B fin here. So that's your gold C runner. Next, we have the D runner. So D runner comes in the blue color. So all the blue trims are in here. You can see this is the chest and these are for the shoulder. So that's your D runner. Next is the H1 runner. So H1 runner is in a red clear color. So these are all the burning simulation parts, as well as the base here. So if you wanna recreate the Wukong silhouette as well as the Gowen form, this is the H1 runner. Next is the H2 runner, which is similar to the H1, is in the red clear color. So that's your H2 runner. Lastly, we have the I runner. So I runner is in the gray color, similar to the A runner. So these are some parts for the frame as well. So you can see the fit here. So that's your I runner. And lastly, we have the foil sticker. So foil sticker is somewhat decent when it comes to the SD, because we know SD are notorious with foil stickers. So you have the golden color correction stickers here, as well as the blue and white color correction sticker. So that's your foil sticker. And that was the unboxing of the SD Heroes Wukong Impulse Gundam. So the kit itself is pretty similar to the SD Sangoku line, and this model kit specifically has a lot of details in it, so all the parts are well detailed, and that would be the advantage of this kit. So the price point is also on the lower part, so this is a cheap kit. And one of the disadvantage is the foil sticker, which is usual to all the SD kits out there. So I've heard a lot of good things about this kit, so I would also recommend it because of the details in the parts. So if you find this in your store, don't hesitate to grab it. But if you're wondering where to get it, you can visit msmnstudio.com. You can get these kits from them, or you can check their wide variety of model kits. They have P-Bandies there, they have building materials, tools, paints, and many more. So check out their website. And lastly, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I release a video like this. And again, thank you for watching and keep building.